Algebraic vectors question here. Firstly, looking at my diagram, we have n is the midpoint of OA, it says that in the question. X is the midpoint of AB, that says that in the question. O to M is 2/3 of OX. All that information will be useful. So, what have I got then? AB first. Well, AB is from here to here. But with algebraic vectors, I can get any route whatsoever, and it'll give me the same vector. So the easiest route to take is this route here. So A to B is equal to, okay, well if here to here is 6A, then here to here goes against the arrow, so it's minus 6A. From here to here, plus 6B. And that is it. That's the answer to the first bit. OX, a little bit more complicated. To get from O to X, I could go from here to here, or from here to here. Well, this route looks like a pretty good way of doing it, because I know from here to here is minus 6A plus 6B. I know this is the midpoint, so from here to here is going to be half of this. So minus 3A plus 3B. So if I'm going from O to X, I've now got 6A going with the arrow, plus, again, because I'm going with the arrow here, minus 3A plus 3B. And simplifying that, well, I've got 6A, so if I add minus 3A's, that's like taking 3A's away, so that's 3A plus my 3B's. So there is the answer to OX. Now then, if I'm going to show that NMB is a straight line, what I've got to do is find either NM, MB, or NB and show that two of those are parallel to each other. And we do that by showing one to multiple of the other. If they are parallel with a common point, they have to form a straight line. So let's have a look then. I could do NB first. Let's do that. That looks relatively straightforward because from there to there, well again, if this is 6A and that's halfway, that's 3A from there to there, plus A to B, which I've got already, which is minus 6A plus 6B. And if I simplify that, I end up with 3A, add minus 6A is minus 3A plus 6B. Okay, so a good start. Looking at NM. Okay, well NM is from there to there to there, or from there to there to there. I think I'll go this way because that's only two vectors. Here I'm going against the arrow, so that's going to be minus 3A's. From here to here is 2/3 of OX. Well, I've got OX already, it's there. So 2/3 of OX, which is 3A plus 3B. Now the simplification's a little bit more tricky, but not impossible. So N to M is going to be minus 3A. 2/3 of 3A, well a third is A times by 2, 2A. 2/3 of 3B similarly is 2B. And if I simplify that, I get minus A plus 2B. Now, compare this to this. What do I multiply this by to get this? Well, 3. I can see that NM times by 3 is equal to NB. So therefore, NM is parallel to NB. Therefore, NMB is a straight line.